हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ रूबी चौहान और आज मैं आपको एनसीईआरटी की बुक का चैप्टर 3 ये है पॉलिटिकल साइंस। ठीक है, चैप्टर 3 इसका मैं सिविक्स का बताने जा रही हूँ। इसका नाम है हाउ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट वर्क्स। ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज है ये। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है यूज द टर्म्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी एंड रिप्रेजेंट टू एक्सप्लेन हु an MLA is and how is the person elected। ठीक है, आंसर ऐसे MLA is the members of the legislative assembly who represent people and also from the government। सेकंड पॉइंट है इसका, वो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है each state has a legislative assembly। सेकंड पॉइंट है each state is divided into different areas or constituencies। Third point, from each constituency the people elect one representative who then become a member of the legislative assembly। Fourth point, MLA is elected by the people who contest in election by voting। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है हाउ डिड सम MLA बिकम मिनिस्टर, एक्सप्लेन। आंसर है आफ्टर द इलेक्शन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हुज MLA have won more than half the number of constituency in state become the ruling party। सेकेंड पॉइंट है द MLA belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader who will become the chief minister। क्वेश्चन वो थर्ड पॉइंट है इसी का, द चीफ मिनिस्टर देन सिलेक्ट्स अदर पीपल एज मिनिस्टर्स। फोर्थ पॉइंट है द गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट देन अपॉइंट्स द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड द अदर मिनिस्टर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड है वाई शुड decisions taken by the chief ministers and other minister be debated in the legislative assembly। आंसर इसका फर्स्ट पॉइंट इन ए डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट पार्टिसिपेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी सेक्शन। सेकेंड पॉइंट है does whatever decisions are being taken have to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly। third point है these members then ask question, debate and an important issue decide where money should be spent। fourth point है after that they have the main authority to finalize the decision। question number 4 है what was the problem in Patalapuram? What discussion action was taken by the following? Fill in the table: public meeting, legislative assembly, press conference, or chief minister। आंसर है मेन प्रॉब्लम इन पतालापुरम नंबर 1 lack of proper sanitation and hygiene, number 2 scarcity of clean drinking water, third not proper medicine facilities, fourth spread of diarrhea। discussion action was taken by the following: public meeting demand for the improvement of the healthcare and sanitation from the officials, legislative assembly intend to supply drinking water to every village through tanker trucks and also explained the steps the government had taken, collection of garbage। press conference organized by the health minister, newspapers and media widely discussed the issue and government has to respond by holding press conference। chief minister visited Patalapuram district, they went to visit the families who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospitals, promised funds for the works and also plan to start a campaign to inform people. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है यहाँ पर, what is the difference between the work that MLAs do in the assembly and the work done by the government department? आंसर है, act of making laws and certain issue is done by MLAs in the legislative assembly of each state, while the implementation of these laws is done by the various government departments. Second point है, whatever work is done by these government department has to be approved by the member of the legislative assembly और MLA. आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक